My name is HEMANTH SAI. I am from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. I recently graduated from Panvel Institute of Technology in 2025. I recently joined Jspiders. They have provided me wonderful training, especially my trainers, Indrani Madam for the Python. She supported me in all doubt sessions, and web technology for Nandita Madam. She helped me in the cracking the codes, and SQL for the Sanjay sir. He also helped me for the understanding the core concepts in SQL. And also HR team worked very hard. They are available without hesitation when we ask the questions. They provide all placement assistance. They provided me the grooming and also the aptitude sessions and also mock interviews for the communication. And also I placed in the company HTC, which is in the Begumpet, Hyderabad. And also it is a package of 3.5 LPA, and this is all for that. I strongly recommend Jspiders to join for the placements. Thank you.